YouTube isn't just about funny videos, tutorials, and vlogs. Behind the scenes, it's a battlefield. When YouTubers start feuding, it's not a private argument, it's a full-on internet war. Some of these feuds have led to lawsuits, some have ended friendships, and some have completely destroyed careers. And the craziest part is that a lot of them started over something small, like a tweet or a comment. But once drama starts on YouTube, it takes on a life of its own. So let's take a look at 10 of the biggest YouTube feuds that shocked the internet. 1. PewDiePie vs. T-Series, the battle of YouTube's throne. Back in 2018, YouTube saw one of the biggest subscriber wars in history. For years, PewDiePie held the title of the most subscribed YouTuber. He was the king of the platform and no one was close to him. And that was all until an Indian music label, T-Series, started gaining millions of subscribers at an unbelievable speed. Suddenly, PewDiePie had competition, and fans weren't ready to let him lose his crown. The internet turned this battle into a full-blown war. People started hacking printers, websites, and even billboards displaying messages like "Subscribe to PewDiePie." Elon Musk and MrBeast got involved, and PewDiePie even released 2 diss tracks, "Bitch Lasagna" and "Congratulations," both targeting T-Series. But in the end, T-Series won, officially becoming the most subscribed YouTube channel. It was a moment that changed YouTube forever, proving that individual creators were no longer competing with just each other, but also massive corporations. And that battle, it's still a hot topic among PewDiePie fans. 2. KSI and Logan Paul, from trash talk to boxing rings. This feud didn't stay online, it literally turned into a fight. KSI and Logan Paul were 2 of the biggest YouTubers, but they hated each other. The insult started online, but quickly escalated into something bigger. Instead of just throwing words back and forth, they decided to settle it in a boxing ring. Their first fight in 2018 was massive. Millions of people watched, tickets sold out, and both of them made insane money. But the fight ended in a draw, which only made things worse. So in 2019, they had a rematch, this time as a professional boxers. KSI won and Logan Paul had to swallow his pride. But here's the funny part, years later, they became business partners, launching the Prime energy drink together. So was the feud even real, or was it just one of the greatest marketing moves in YouTube history? 3. James Charles vs. Tati Westbrook, the beauty community meltdown. The beauty community on YouTube has always been filled with drama, but nothing compares to James Charles vs. Tati Westbrook scandal. These two were once best friends, with Tati even helping James build his career. But in 2019, Tati posted a video called "Bye Sister," accusing James of betrayal and worse, using his fame to manipulate straight men. The internet lost its mind. James lost millions of subscribers overnight, and it looked like his career was over. But then he fought back, posting his own video with receipts proving that Tati's claims weren't entirely true. Suddenly the tide turned. People started questioning Tati's motives, and she disappeared from the internet for months. This feud completely shattered the beauty community, proving that one viral accusation could make or break a career. 4. Jake Paul vs. Cody Co, when YouTube bullies get called out. Jake Paul has been involved in more controversies than we can count, but in 2019, he tried to take down Cody Co, a YouTube commentator who roasts influencers. Jake ambushed Cody in person, calling him a cyberbully and confronting him in a way that was clearly meant to be a power move. But it backfired hard. Cody stayed calm while Jake looked desperate. Instead of making Cody look bad, Jake became the joke. The internet saw through his stunt, and big YouTubers like PewDiePie and H3H3 called him out for not being able to handle criticism. Lesson learned: if you're an influencer, maybe don't start fights you can't win. 5. H3H3 vs. Keemstar, the YouTube war that doesn't end. Some feuds die out after a few months, though one has been going on for years is H3H3, Ethan Klein, and Keemstar, the host of Drama Alert. They absolutely hate each other. Keemstar thrives on controversy, and H3H3 built his brand on calling out problematic YouTubers. Naturally, they clashed. In 2020, things hit a breaking point when Ethan posted a video exposing Keemstar's worst moments, accusing him of spreading false accusations and pushing people into mental breakdowns. Keemstar fought back, trying to get H3's H3 sponsors pull. The feud became one of the ugliest in YouTube history, with both sides losing fans, money, and even legal threats. To this day, they still take shots at each other. This war, it's far from over. 6. David Dobrik vs. Trisha Paytas, the Vlog Squad controversy. David Dobrik was once YouTube's golden boy, until Trisha Paytas helped expose the dark side of his friend group. She claimed they bullied her, manipulated people for content, and made a toxic environment. At first, people dismissed Trisha because of her chaotic reputation, but then more former members came forward with similar stories. Eventually, David lost sponsorships, subscribers, and respect, and his career took a major hit. 7. RiceGum vs. Idubbbz, the roast that ended a career. RiceGum was one of the biggest names in YouTube, constantly making diss tracks and flexing wealth. But when Idubbbz dropped his content comp video on him in 2017, it was game over. Idubbbz called out RiceGum for being fake, disrespectful, and making fun of serious issues, and RiceGum's attempt at a comeback flopped, and his career never recovered. One video destroyed everything. 8. Jeffree Star vs. Shane Dawson, the beauty empire collapse. Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson were inseparable. They made millions together, launching makeup collections that sold out instantly. But in 2020, everything fell apart. Old videos resurfaced of Shane making offensive jokes, and the internet turned against him. At first, Jeffree stood by him, but the backlash grew and he went silent. People started digging into Jeffree's past too, exposing his own bad moments. Both were under fire. The beauty community turned its back on them, and their brand deals crumbled. Shane lost subscribers, sponsors, and his reputation as YouTube's documentary king, and Jeffree, once considered untouchable, saw his influence fade. They tried to make a comeback, but the damage was done. Their beauty empire, once the most powerful, was gone, and their friendship dead. 9. FaZe Banks vs. Tfue, the gaming world's biggest betrayal. In 2019, one of the biggest controversies in gaming erupted when Tfue sued FaZe Clan. At the time, Tfue was a rising Fortnite star, and FaZe Banks had recruited him into the most famous esports organizations. But soon, Tfue claimed FaZe was taking too much money from his earnings, locking him into an unfair contract. FaZe fired back, calling Tfue ungrateful, saying they had built his career. The feud had become a massive debate where organizations were exploiting young talent, or was Tfue just looking for a way out perhaps? Fans were split and the lawsuit rocked the gaming world. The case dragged on, but by the time it ended, Tfue had moved on, and FaZe's reputation took a hit. The lawsuit changed esports contracts forever, forcing teams to be more transparent. It wasn't just a feud, it was a turning point for the gaming industry. 10. MrBeast vs. drama channels, the accusations that went nowhere. Even MrBeast, known as YouTube's nicest guy, couldn't avoid drama. In 2021, some former employees accused him of being difficult to work with. Drama channels jumped on the story, trying to spin it into something huge. But this time, things didn't go as planned. Fans quickly defended MrBeast, pointing out that running a massive production team is stressful, and being a perfectionist doesn't make someone a bad person. Instead of losing followers, he gained even more. While most YouTubers struggle to recover from controversy, MrBeast came out stronger. He kept making videos, kept donating millions, and his career only skyrocketed. If anything, this feud proved that not all drama sticks. MrBeast wasn't just untouchable. He had built such a strong reputation that no scandal could shake him. And maybe that's the real lesson here. If you focus on doing good, people won't believe the haters. YouTube feuds can be messy. Some are fake, some are real, and some completely destroy careers. Which one shocked you the most though? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more wild YouTube stories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.